Hey guys, hola, bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but I am going to start doing it soon. One little announcement: I created a makeup page on Facebook. I am going to leave the link down below so you guys can go and like the page. I will really highly appreciate if you guys shared my page. I'm going to soon start doing live videos over there, so if you guys want to see me more, head on over. Hey guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. It's a little bit hard for me to do them on camera. I did do them on the first video, so if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, go check out my first video. I already primed my face as well. Today I am going to create a look just using this palette. It's the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and it's a very affordable brand. I have been using this palette a lot lately, so I decided that I want to create a rainbow look. So we are going to start off by priming our lids, and I normally always use a concealer to prime my lid, so I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer in the number 15, which is Fair Clear. I think that's the shade. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna spread the product with my fingers. Now just gonna set my eyelid with just a regular loose powder. I'm using this one by Maybelline. I mean L'Oreal. I'm going to start with this pink color right here. Now I'm going to use a blending brush. So the brushes that I do use are by BH Cosmetics. Some of them are by Wet n Wild, but most of them are by BH Cosmetics. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mirror here so I can. I'm just going to blend and use this as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take this shade right here and apply it right here. I'm going to mix this purple and this purple together, and I'm going to apply it on the outer V of my eye. Now I am going to take this reddish color and pack it on right here, so then I can transfer to orange. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to use a flat brush. I think that's going to be easier. flat brush, I am going to grab this orange that's right here. Right here. I am going to pack this on right here, leaving some space for the yellow. To apply the yellow, I am going to use a little bit of concealer so I can clean it up. And I am just going to grab this yellow right here and just pack it on here. I think I should go back with concealer. So I went back with concealer, like I said, because it makes the eyeshadow more pigmented. So all I did was every time I would apply a color, I would just put a little bit of concealer and then pack on the color. That brings it out so much better because I hated it how it was coming out. So I did it off camera so it'll be faster. So now we're just gonna go on with the rest of our face, and I am just going to use concealer and conceal my under eyes because yo tengo unas ojerotas que oh my goodness. I always wet my sponge. It's by Real Techniques. So I have agua with a little atomizador. I think that's what they call it in Mexico. And then now I'm gonna do my foundation. I am using the same foundation from my previous videos, I think, and it is the shade 120. I really like this foundation a lot. Now I'm going to set my whole face with this Fit Me Fit Me loose powder, and I like how it comes out when I wet my sponge, so I'm gonna wet it. My brother just got home from work. He had music and I texted him to turn it on because I'm recording. You couldn't really hear it, but still. You gotta be the annoying sister. Now I'm going to do the bottom eyes, and for the bottom eyes I am going to do all of the blues and all of the greens. So I'm going to take this blue and I am going to apply it on my under eye. this.
¿Cuántos no son like?
Huh?
Los borras. Editas.
What?
Those videos.
That's for YouTube.
Pero los editas y los cortas, ¿no?
Yeah. So now I am going to take this lighter blue and apply it right here. So now we are going to move on with the greens, and for the greens I am going to use this color right here. Both eyes are done. Now all I'm going to do is contour and put my blush. A little bit of blush, just a little bit, because we don't want to look like a payaso. And now the highlight. I am using my BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, which I've been using it for a really long time, so. So I popped some lashes, and this is the final product. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I did, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos.